Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Friday, Peter drives from home to his office in 24 minutes. Saturday, there is no traffic, so he can drive to his office 15 miles per hour faster and gets to the office in 15 minutes. How far in miles is it from home to his office? Okay, using the given information, we have to find the distance from home to office. Okay, here let me draw a line segment which represents the distance from home to office. Okay, now let me take home over here. Let me write the stuff over here. And also office is over here. Let me write over here. Let me take Friday above the line segment. That is Friday over here. On Friday, it drives from home to office in 24 minutes. And also the speed is not given for Friday and also Saturday. But the question says Saturday, it drives 15 miles per hour faster. Okay, here the speed is given in miles per hour. Okay, we can assume the speed for Friday as X miles per hour. Okay, now let's take Saturday below the line segment over here. And Saturday, it drives 15 miles per hour faster and gets to the office in 15 minutes. The time for Saturday is 15 minutes. And the speed is 15 miles per hour faster than Friday. Already we have assumed X miles per hour as the speed for Friday. Then for Saturday, 15 miles per hour faster means we have to write X positive 15 miles per hour. So this is the speed for Saturday. Okay, here we know the formula to get the distance. That is, we have to multiply the time and speed. Okay, here using this information, let's calculate the distance. But before that, when we consider the speed, we have the speed in miles per hour, but the time is in minutes. So since we have the speed in miles per hour, we have to convert this time from minutes to hours. For that, what we have to do is we have to divide the minutes, the given minutes by 60. When I divide this given minutes by 60, it will become hours. And also the same thing we have to do for this 15 minutes as well. That is, I have to divide this 15 by 60. Then when I do so, it will become hours. Okay, now we can find the distance using the time over here and the speed over here. So when I multiply the speed X miles per hour and the time 24 over 60 hours, I'm getting the distance. That is 24 over 60 times X. So this gives the distance from home to office. And also we can now find the same distance from home to office. So this time 15 over 60 hours and the speed X positive 15 miles per hour. We have to multiply them. That is 15 over 60 times the speed, that is X positive 15. So both the stuff represent the same thing, that is the distance from home to office. We can equate them. Now what we have to do is we have to solve for X in this equation. For that, what we have to do is we have to multiply both sides of this equation by 60 to get rid of the denominator over here and here. Okay, now let me multiply both sides of this equation by 60. That is 60 times 24 over 60x equals to 60 times 15 over 60 times X positive 15. Okay, here the 60 will cancel out. Here the 60 will cancel out. So I'm getting 24x on the left side. On the right side, I'm getting 15 times X positive 15. Okay, here 24x equals to, we can distribute this 15 to this x and 15. Then I'm getting 15x positive 225. Okay, now let me subtract 15x from both sides. When I do so, this positive value, negative value will cancel. When I combine positive 24x, negative 15x, I'm getting 9x equals to 225. Now let me divide both sides of this equation by 9. Then this 9 will cancel. I'm getting x on the left side. When I divide this 225 by 9, I'm getting 25. Okay, here I got the value of x. Now to get the distance from home to office, we can plug in this 25 for x over here in this expression or in this expression, because both these expressions represent the distance from home to office. So better we can use this one because it will be easier for us to calculate the distance in this expression. So that is 24 over 60 times 25. Okay, now let's do calculation over here. That is for both 24 and 60, we have the greatest common divisor 12. That is 12 goes into 24 2 times and 12 goes into 60 5 times. Here 5 goes into 5 1 times and 5 goes into 25. 5 times 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, here I got the distance from home to office, that is 10 miles. We find this 10 in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.